Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to unbox this, let's say, TWS i12 earphones. Basically these are, let's be real here, these are fake AirPods. But as you guys can see, they use a lightning cable to charge, and these are sealed. These are brand new. We see some features here: auto power on, auto pairing, touch with Siri, etc. Open the okay, so let's open the box. And see what's inside. Okay, so it's a bit difficult to open. So there we have the earpods, the earpieces. We have a lightning cable. This lightning cable actually feels cheap. I don't recommend using it. Feels like, I don't know, total cheap. I don't think it will work, but anyway. This is the manual. It's in English and in Chinese, so let's turn it on English side and see. You can pause the video and read the specifications yourself. So we have headphone functions and some warnings. Basically it's paperwork stuff. So let's put everything back to the box. As you guys already know, I don't like keeping a mess. So let's open the package, the box of the earphones. Let's remove the sticker. Okay, everything is removed. So okay, feels quite nice actually. Didn't expect this. Let's say it feels like an AirPod. It closes, it will not stay open, the boxes will not stay open. We have the lightning port to charge the box, and the button is on the back, so we can put the earphones back to the box. And when we see a red light there, it means that the earpieces are charging. So when they make a light like this, obviously we don't have any kind of buttons. So we have the microphones, and this lights, meaning that the earpieces are pairing. So these are, let's say, the perfect imitation I've seen this far of the earpods. Also, they feel nice in the ears, and the volume is very good. This was it. And I will see you guys on the next one.